Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm coming to you today with a very short video just showing you a few items that just came in the mail for me from TonicStudios. I discussed in a previous video how you can make your own bundles when you shop from TonicStudios if you like to. If you don't want to commit to getting the craft kit, the monthly craft kit, you can essentially build your own, and I just wanted to come along to show you a sample of what I mean by that. These items here were all from this month, which were also on sale, just to specify that, at a great price. This was the Designer's Choice die for this month. Now this was not on sale. This is just a basic price of $20 each month, and you can you don't have to sign up to get this particular type of die, but if you hop onto the website, because they sell out quite quickly sometimes, then you can definitely take advantage of the price point and get an entire die set for that $20. Now, they're not just basic dies, is one thing I wanted to point out, because you may think the price point is high for just one die set. However, this, for instance, this die set will make, if I can get my words out today, it will make a mini album. It has even the little perforated die here that you can use to also double up with the hole reinforcers if you like that look. It has two base page dies, the coordinating layers to go on top. It has a sentiment that says moments in time. It has three page corners here. this one, and let me take it out of here so you can see this one here as well. And then if you can tell, some of the pieces either have the dash or the little dots, so they coordinate really nicely with other memory book dies that TonicStudios has already released. Or if you don't own any of those and you just want one because you're not intending on collecting any of them or anything like that, then this would have been a really great one to start with. This also has a pull tab, and it does say pull me here, and then an even smaller one here. And of course you can use these separately. You don't have to use them to make a mini album if that's not something that appeals to you. And it comes in this sleeve also, which is great, because then you can put it away. What I've done with mine is poke extra holes so that I can put it in a binder. So I'll show you quickly what I've done with that. I just have these inexpensive binders that match my room, so I'm putting mine in here. So here you can see previous ones that I've also gotten. This one was from last month, and I've still not finished playing around with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one was the cantilever set. It sold out so quickly, and it's been really popular, so hopefully they come back with another one like that. And so there you see, here's, without showing too much information, there's the price of the die set, and then it's a basic $2 shipping fee because it doesn't cost much to send something like this. Now, having said that, like I mentioned before, if you want to create your own bundles, they have sales on the papers quite frequently. And look at this collection here. This was all one set of papers that you could get. It's called the Craft Perfect, and then you could get pearlescent card. This one happens to be Luna Silver, absolutely gorgeous. This one here is called Pewter Gray, and this one does have, let's see if I can show it to you guys. It's kind of difficult here because of the light. Okay, so I apologize for the glare, but it does have a weave to it. This one also has, it's a classic card, so it's meant for bases, card bases or page bases. This one's called Raspberry Pink. This one's Boysenberry Purple. Absolutely stunning colors. This one is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Rose Glacier, and it's really the one piece of paper that sold me on the entire pack because I've used it before, and I'll show you. I made this book here, and I used TonicStudios papers, as you can see here, and the holographic paper, I believe this was also TonicStudios if I'm not mistaken. This paper here is also from them. It has a gorgeous texture in gold, and so here in the back is where you see this paper here. So as you can tell, I mean, it's just so lovely, and you don't have to pair it up with darker colors. You can certainly just use that as the darkest one. And here's the other. This is the pearlescent paper, which, let me see. Okay, so this would be the equivalent of this one here, this silver card. However, this one is in that burgundy color. Just stunning papers, so I highly recommend them. And then last but not least, there was this here, and I don't want to give you guys too much of a glare, but very shiny, perfect for layering over the other papers. And of course, I went ahead and took advantage of this as well because the price point was just perfect. Now again, this is equivalent to what you would spend for the monthly subscription, but if you're not wanting to do that, then you can just build your own. That was the whole point of this video. So this drop here, this is a stone drop, and this one happens to be in Boulder Gray. I've not yet used any of these, so I'm just super excited to try them out. The stone drops have a texture to them. I have this in a brown color that came with a previous kit, and so it's just as it's described, very, very much like stone or concrete. Then there are jewel drops. These I've shown in a previous video as well. This one's called Honeysuckle, adorable. And of course you can see the theme here. They're all in these purples and lavenders. So this one is called Plum Pudding, and that is a crystal drop, not to be confused with a jewel drop. They are different. This one here is a crystal drop in Pink Orchid. Absolutely gorgeous color. Cannot wait to play with that one. And then this one here is a crystal drop in Liquid Mercury. I love the names too. And the bottles, aren't they so cute? And last but not least here, a glitter drop. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous translucent shimmer. Just my favorite kind of shimmer is that kind of holographic look. And this is in silver crystals. So that's just my 2 cents. I don't get paid to say any of this. I do, however, have affiliate links on my channel for TonicStudios. So if you're at all curious about the products and how they work, feel free to watch any single one of my videos. I probably have some form of TonicStudios on all of them because I do enjoy the product so much, and I highly recommend it because it is good quality for your crafts. If you have any questions, as I always say, feel free to reach out to me. Let me know what you think below. You know, you guys, if you've seen my videos, you know I don't ever do haul videos, but I figured that I should show you this because it was quite a bargain. Wonderful prices, and when there are sales that are coming up and that sort of thing, I try to give you guys a heads up on my videos so that you are aware. If you like the color blue, in fact, light blue, that is going to be the next featured line, if you will, or collection. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys can be inspired and be blessed. And I will have a project very, very soon. Maybe not with these papers, but definitely with the dies and the drops. So I hope you guys can join me for that as well. Have a beautiful day. As I always say, be inspired and be blessed. Bye-bye.